As we know, WFL are about mill-turn technologies, great components from fantastic machines, but you also need software in the background. So you have a range of software products in myWFL. What does that comprise of? I think the first one is myWFL Cockpit.
Yes, so the myWFL product family consists of several components. myWFL Cockpit is a system for collecting machine status data and operational data. And you can have a look into your machine and you will see the productivity of the machine and also the technical availability and what the machine did in recent time.
Okay, because these days, data, it is about great machines and machining, but data is key as well. So an example here, you've got 5 machines at your open house just on the screen. So if you just talk us through what it actually shows us.
We have here connected 5 machines with this option to our local network. And you can see immediately here, when this bar is green, then the machine is productive. CNC program is running. When the bar is yellow, the machine has in principle no error, but is not working. So what you do not like to see is a red bar here, because this means a technical disturbance.
Okay, so green is good, amber is okay, yellow is okay. All right, let's say, what data can you get? So if you look at an individual machine.
So you can branch to an individual machine, and you can see here the machine performance status over the recent 8 days. The dark blue bar indicates the technical availability of the machine. So we see here most time 100%. Just on one day we had a little technical problems. And the green bar indicates the productivity. This means the percentage of the machine was productive regarding to the switch on time.
Okay, and just as a disclaimer, this is in an open house, so you're not going to expect it to be running 24/7, but you want to get that green bar as high as possible, obviously.
Yeah, you can select your interesting time period, and you see the green bar means machine is productive, yellow is available, red is disturbance.
Okay, so nice and simple. You want as much green as possible.
You can have also a lot of other information about the recent program runs. You can see the overall run time. You can have a statistic when the program always runs the same time, so this means the program has a good quality. When there's always a difference, then maybe there is an operator intervention.
So with the cockpit, you've got some great initial data about the machines and they're running, but in this environment, you want to know how much energy you're consuming. So how are you monitoring that, and what are you actually doing?
With the WFL energy option, electrical power consumption meter device is installed in the machine, and you get the information of the complete power consumption of the machine and also of the consumption of compressed air.
And then you can actually dig deeper into individual components as well.
Yes. We can also have a look, this is very interesting, how much energy was needed for producing one component. We have here an example. So this program run took 8.4 kilowatt hours.
Of course. So that can enable me to do better quotations, but also optimize the machining in terms of power consumption.
Yes, you can compare manufacturing processes. What process could be more energy efficient regarding the other?
Christoph, as we know, every engineer out there maintains his machine regularly. No, they don't. But you've got a program that can help monitor that.
Yes, this is myWFL condition monitoring. So the idea is to have a standardized cycle where the machine axis traverses through the whole working area, and you continuously record friction of all the axes. And when you run spindle speed profiles, you can also record the friction, or you have additional sensors. You can record the bearing temperature and also the status of the bearing with a specialized sensor. Okay. And then you compare the runs and you can have a look. Has something changed regarding
Okay, so you can identify if something's going wrong with a bearing, for example, or the axis, so you can do preventative maintenance.
This is the goal at the end.
Okay, Christoph, a great little insight into myWFL and some software to go with great machines, great components.